If you're buying or selling a home, you know you're going to hear me say, go to those Callaways, because they're the ones that are going to make life easier. They're so trustworthy, amazing team of people. So, of course, we always have Joe Coleman, and you've got another incredible house to tell us about today, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We have 12217 East Arabian Park Drive. It's a beautiful home. It's 5 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms. It's got an amazing home office, which is just oversized to say the least, and it's in the master wing, which is split from the other secondary 4 bedrooms.
Wow.
So it's a true split plan home. It's got a wonderful pool tucked away in the corner of the yard, a lit sport court, 4-car garage in a gated community, and it's in a cul-de-sac to boot. So it's just a wonderful property that really just everybody has to come by and see.
Do I get to ask how much something like this goes
Yep,
for?
it's 1,399, so it's just under $1.4 million.
Okay, well, all these houses I know are going really fast.
Houses are going very
flying.
fast.
So people need to really get on the phone and get in touch with you to say, hey, this is what I want to get on the list of, because you're going to help them find their dream home. Whether it's going to be this one or a different one, I know you're going to help them out. So they need to just be calling you.
Absolutely, yeah. You need to get with our buyer's agent so they can get you on the list to get into all the pre-market homes so you can get them before everybody else.
That sounds like a great deal. Thanks for joining us again.
Thank you.